Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Zoho Books for a new company. So let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Zoho Books, whether you're launching a new business or moving your finances to a digital platform. Zoho Books is a user-friendly and comprehensive solution that helps you manage your company's accounting with ease. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Zoho website. From the main menu, select All Products or Explore All Products from the drop-down list. Scroll through the available applications until you find Zoho Books. Once you locate it, click the Try Now button to start the sign-up process. Next, Zoho will send a verification email to confirm your account. Make sure to check your inbox, and if it's not there, look in your spam or junk folders. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your address. Once verified, you'll be ready to enter your personal and company details, such as your name, company name, contact info, and basic financial information. Accuracy here is important to ensure your accounting system works smoothly from the start. After filling in these details, create a secure password and agree to Zoho's terms of service to activate your account. Remember to store your password safely, as you'll need it for future logins. Once complete, your Zoho Books account is ready, giving you a solid foundation to manage invoices, accounts, and bank connections efficiently. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.